Have you ever wondered why your paycheck disappears so fast? You work hard, you make decent money, but somehow, by the end of the month, there's nothing left. Well, what if I told you that there's a simple budgeting method that could change the way you manage your money without making you feel deprived? It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and today I'm going to break it down so you can start budgeting like a pro. And stick around because I'll also share budgeting mistakes to avoid and hacks to save more without even trying. You are welcome to Finance Hackers. If you're looking for simple, effective ways to save money, budget better, and even build wealth, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's get into the 50-30-20 rule and why it could be the only budget you'll ever need. All right, let's start with the basics. The 50-30-20 rule is one of the simplest and most effective ways to budget your money. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, the must-pay essentials like rent, food, and bills. 30% goes to wants, the fun stuff like shopping, streaming services, and dining out. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment, your future financial security. This method helps you balance your spending so you're covering your essentials, enjoying life, and still saving for the future. First, let's talk about needs. This category includes things you absolutely must pay for each month, like rent or mortgage, utilities, electricity, water, internet, groceries, and essential food, transportation, gas, public transit or car payments, health insurance, and minimum debt payments. Now, here's the catch. Some things feel like needs, but they're actually wants. A gym membership? That's a want. High-speed internet for Netflix? Also a want. If your needs take up more than 50% of your income, you may need to cut back or look for ways to increase your income. This is the category everyone loves, the wants. This is where you budget for the fun things in life, like eating out and coffee runs. Yes, that daily Starbucks counts. Streaming services, Netflix, Spotify, etc. Shopping, clothes, gadgets, hobbies. Travel and entertainment, concerts, movies, gaming. Now be careful here, because this is where most people overspend. If you've ever wondered, where did my money go? Chances are it's here. Pro tip, use the 24-hour rule before buying anything non-essential. Wait 24 hours. If you still really want it, go for it. If not, congrats, you just saved money. And finally, the most important part, your financial future. This 20% should go toward emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Investments, stocks, retirement accounts, etc. Debt repayments, beyond minimum payments. Even if you can't hit 20% yet, start with whatever you can because saving even $50 a month is better than nothing. Common budgeting mistakes. Mistake number 1, confusing needs with wants. I need a new iPhone. No, you don't. You want it. Mistake number 2, forgetting to adjust for income changes. Got a raise? Don't upgrade your lifestyle too fast. Save first. Mistake number 3, not tracking expenses. If you don't track your spending, your budget won't work. Now let's see how this works with a real example. Let's say you make $4,000 a month after taxes. Here's how you'd split it. $2,000 for needs, $1,200 for wants, $800 for savings, debt repayment. All right, we covered a lot today. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Will the 50-30-20 rule work for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.